Hi everyone, welcome back to our series Robotics and Machine Learning Guide. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of uploading and downloading datasets using Hugging Face. If you are someone who works with machine learning models, this is going to be very helpful for effectively managing and storing your datasets. So let's get started. First, if you don't already have an account on Hugging Face, go ahead and make an account. Once you have signed in, let's create a new dataset repository. There are two ways to create a dataset repository. One, using the web interface, and the other is using the command line interface. Using the web interface, go to your account page, click on your profile on the top right corner, and select New Dataset. Fill out the information in the on-screen instructions to create a new repository. To upload the datasets, go ahead and click on the Files and Versions tab. Select Add File, Upload Files, and drag and drop the datasets that you want into the Files section. Click Commit to save the changes. We have successfully uploaded dataset using the web interface. If you prefer using a command line interface, go ahead and run the Python script that is provided in the documentation. This will create a new dataset repository in your web account. To upload the dataset into your new repository, you can go ahead and run the Python script, which is provided in the README file. Make sure to specify the local directory and the repository name. Once the upload is successful, you can also see the files in the web interface. To download the dataset, you can either clone the repository or use the Hugging Face command line interface. To clone the repository, you can simply run the command git clone followed by the link to the repository provided in the dataset card of your repository. If you prefer using the command line interface, you can go ahead and run the Python script provided in the README file. Remember, the dataset episodes are stored in HDF5 format, so ensure that you only allow these formats for download. Once the download is successful, you can go ahead and check your directories to see if all the downloads are complete. That's it for today. By following these steps, you can seamlessly upload and download datasets using Hugging Face and freeing space on your computer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on our latest videos. Thank you.